Hi guys, welcome to another Vlogmas video. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look right here. It is my no makeup look for like holiday party, so holiday version for this makeup look. It is super simple and super easy, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Make sure you are subscribed and give this video a big thumbs up if you stick around to the end. And let's get right into this look. Since this is a no makeup type of look, I'm not doing any foundation. So my first step in this look is filling in my eyebrows just in the areas that are missing a little bit of space. So I usually do this only for like special occasions. I don't do this on an everyday basis. That's why this is like a going out holiday look. I'm using the Sephora retractable brow pencil. It's waterproof and it is in Midnight Brown. I'll try to link all the products that I use down below if you guys want to check them out. So I'm using this and I'm going to comb through my eyebrows first, and I have a little mirror here to help me see a little bit better because the mirror is like behind the camera and I don't want to be looking over there. So very lightly I kind of go along the bottom. I don't do really harsh lines. I do the lightest bit ever. I basically just trace over where my eyebrow is a little bit, and then on the top corner I feel like I'm always missing a little bit, so I kind of like focus there. And then same with the top, just kind of go over. And then in the front what I do is I don't really touch this part. I do little like lines going this way, little shading going that way, and that's it. And then I take the bottom part again and I brush through it, give it a little more of a natural look, nothing super harsh. And I don't know if you can really tell a big difference. It just kind of like makes them look a little more perfect. So that's what I'm really going for. Just going where my natural eyebrow is anyway, not adding any extra shape to it. Okay, so that is basically it for my eyebrows. I feel like they just look nice and even and perfect. So I'm gonna close this back up. And the next thing I do, kind of also for my eyebrows too a little bit, is just clean them up with some concealer. So I'm using the NARS in Light 2 Vanilla. It's the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And then I'm going to be taking this little brush that I have. It's very, very tiny and thin. And I just take the concealer. I dip the edge of it, the straight little line, just a tiny bit, and I kind of take off like excess product so it's not too much, and I basically go along the line of where my eyebrow is, just like this. So it kind of makes, I don't know if you can tell, yeah, so I just kind of clean it up to make it look even more precise, and on the top as well a tiny bit. And then I just blend it out. I use the brush at first and then I go in with my finger and just tap it in so it's a little more natural looking. It doesn't look too crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same exact thing to this eyebrow.
Ryan Little.
So the next step once I finished with this is going to be eyeliner. I feel like it just brings the whole look alive, and really just, since you're not having anything on your face, I feel like it just adds something and makes you look more put together, and that you tried like hard for the look. And I feel like I'm a beginner, but I am obsessed with it so far. I did it for the concert that I went to. I did it for Thanksgiving. It is like my ultimate go-to for going out, so perfect for this holiday look. So I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner, and so I'm just going to take it out, and I kind of like on the edge of it, I kind of take off any excess because sometimes it can be super liquidy. So first what I do is I start a little bit closer to the corner of my eye, and I do a line. I just put like a tiny dot where I want like it to end. So I put a dot there. I don't know if you can see. And I go from the dot and I connect it to the corner of my eye where my lash line is. Okay, it's super hard to do on this mirror, so I'm gonna actually get closer to this mirror. I don't know if I can try to like show you guys me doing it. Okay, so this is the first one, and what I used while I was in the mirror, because I messed up a little bit in the front, so I take a Q-tip and I just wet it and I clean it. It comes off right away, and then for the corner I pull my eye like this and I wipe so that the line is more sharp and precise. So this is the first one. The tricky thing is getting them to look even on both sides. That's what I've been trying to figure out, because one I will like better and then I have to fix the other one, but we'll see if I can get this one. So I'm going to do this off of camera just because it's like really tricky, so I'll be right back. So I actually think they look pretty even today, which is kind of crazy. So I'm going to close my eyes. So it kind of looks weird when you're just like have no lashes, like your lashes are just natural and then you have a whole wing. So next is mascara, and first, so I have my lash curler, then I have this gift that I got from Ulta for my birthday. It's the Lancome Booster XL. It is just like a primer for your lashes. And then I use two mascaras. So I use the Telescopic by L'Oreal, and then I use also by L'Oreal the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes. So I use the primer, then this one, and then this one, and I do each eye like separate. I finish one eye before I go to the next one because it holds the curl better. So I have my little mirror, and this helps like complete the look of the wing with the mascara together. Is like just the perfect look. And these mascaras are really, really good, and they're both drugstore, which is crazy because you don't need to go and buy like a super high-end mascara to make your lashes look good. This duo really works well. So the next thing I'm going to be doing after my lashes is adding a little bit of glow in the corner of my eye. So this is the City Mini palette by Maybelline New York. So I'm going to be taking this really pretty shade up here and mixing it with this one. It's like a little bit of a rose gold, the second one. If I can use the same brush. So I'm cleaning off the little mini brush that I used before, and I'm going to take it into this one and mix it. And I bring it down a little bit on my line, and in the middle corner, just dab it. I feel like this really opens up my eyes, and for this holiday look, you need a little shimmer in your life. Okay, so now that I have my little glow in my eyes, it's time for the last step in this look that is literally the game changer. It makes this whole holiday look very festive and very fun. So it is red lipstick. I have two options right now, but I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to be using the Clinique red lipstick. It is called Cherry Pop, and it is in this cute little thing. I think I got it for Christmas, like on this little thing that my aunt gave us. This is going to make your whole look put together for this holiday look that we're going for. Alright guys, so after you have your red lip on, whatever red lip you want or any lip color, but I just chose red because if you're going to a holiday party or something, red is the most festive color and just makes your whole look pop. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And if you did your hair, you know, all nice, or even leaving it curly like I have it right now, whatever works for you. But this is just my version of a holiday makeup look for going out, literally for anything, and it is super festive, so perfect for Vlogmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my other Vlogmas videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing.